If you are interested to start your new business within a home, then one of the best opportunity you will be given from us, Kesaria Textile Company. So guys, let's start our first collection. See, in this kind of variety, let me tell you, starting of the range of 115 rupees will be our cotton fancy collections of our starting. See, in these kind of very beautiful concepts you will be get in here only within the particular digital wear concepts, and apart from that, these kind of very beautiful unstitched blouse designs also you will be getting here only. See, length, talking about the length, you will be get 6.30 meter length also you will be get in this kind of variety. And now currently I showed that first concept, that kind of range will be the 229 to 35, that kind of ranges I am showed in this first video. But talking about the next concepts, one of the beautiful Gadwal cotton concepts, in these concepts you will be get at this kind of variety, and the ranges, see, talking about this kind of very beautiful pallu fabric on, you will be get these kind of tastes you will be get preferable at the Maharashtrian region or either will be the northern region in this kind of variety. See, fully you want to be see whole, there will be not any single damages or defective in any of our items. You will be note down, if either it will be there, then you can exchange also. See, and these kind of unstitched blouse items also you will be getting here on. See, currently I showed you these concepts. The range will be 349 rupees per pieces. These concepts, 4 pieces you will be get 6 meter approx length you will be get. See, fabric and concept will be the Gadwal cotton, and next also same similar concepts I am gonna showcasing you. See, but that range will be 365. No need to worry guys, starting range of 115 rupees or also we are manufacture here only. Let me tell you, see, 115 rupees you will be getting these kind of concepts. I'm not going to be open fully because some of them are opened here, so that's why. See, see, these kind of beautiful variety you will be get at the range of 115 rupees only. See, fabric like this kind of concepts will be the transparent items, and 10 pieces you will be get. Starting range of cotton fancy collections will be there. In opposite, Suti cotton sections will be there. On that particular concepts you will be see, I have also uploaded particular video about the cotton Suti sections, so no need to worry. At the range of 125, that kind of 35, 45, 200 and that kind of ranges you will be getting here only. See, these kind of very beautiful Gadwal cotton concepts also you will be get 6 point at cut meter approx length you will also get. See, see, beautiful concepts. You will be get these kind of very beautiful pallu. See, fully I am gonna showcasing you in front of you. See, please take the screenshot and send it to the screen available number. And on the same contrasting designs of blouse items you will be get with zaried work concepts also. See, these kind of beautiful 6 to 7 different color shades in each of our variety we will be provide here only. So guys, in this video, if you are liking, many of our concepts are also we are having that it's not possible to cover all the collections and varieties in particular one video. So guys, please visit many of our videos, and if you are interested then please call the screen available number. They will give you n number of varieties and collections in the form of PDF. So guys, see you in the next video. Till there, take care, goodbye. साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का ना